The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Jamaica, tonight we have a special surprise guest. Natalie, don't leave. Also, we have another special guest which I will tell you. Talented, Jamaican, Chinese background. Put your hands together for Tessan. Tessan!
So lovely. You know what I mean, Carla? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Tessan.
Yes.
Tessan.
She's my uptown. She's my uptown ghetto girl. Tessan.
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 Good evening.
Tessan, what make you feel like you could be a ghetto girl?
Well, I know you give me the name.
Yeah, but no, because I feel like when we're on the family here talk, you sound ghetto-ish.
Ghetto-ish?
Yeah, I mean, she talk putwa.
I don't know put. But Tessan, I know say when you travel longer far and people see you and them not say Jamaican as them see you, or you prove say you're Jamaican.
Just bust the pot up on them and that shut them up right quick.
All right, I big up the whole Jamaica in a patois. Don't talk no English. Big up the whole Jamaica in a patois.
What's up, Jamaica? Don't know.
Hold on.
What?
That a foreign.
That a foreign.
Go on again.
Big up to my Jamaican people. Yeah. Don't know it's a girl to sunshine your love every time. Bless up.
Tessan, what kind of ghetto food you eat?
Ghetto food? Well, it depends on what you classify as ghetto food.
I mean, them have one thing when them call ghetto national.
Ghetto steak.
Well, our cuisine, well, my father, me try like a turn cornmeal. I'm a big fan of chicken back, chicken foot.
Curry.
Oh, chicken back.
Can't you see it in the figure? This not get off a normal food. A Jamaican food have to produce this, please.
Give Tessan a round of applause for the yam where she eat. Give her a round of applause for the dasheen where she eat.
And the dumpling.
Sing for the people, them Tessan.
Your words are weapons, so use them wisely. Shooting on your brothers with your lyrical bullets. Teaching the children to go to war. Don't you know, life or death comes from your tongue. It's poison or pleasure, which side are you on? Cut down your sister with your piercing melodies. Now I am not the writer, I am just a messenger. The end is nigh, don't close your eyes. I've got something to say, but will you hear? I've got a burden to bear. Who will hear? Let him hear. Who will fight? Let him go to war. Who will dare to step out of line and live for truth with help from all? Who will speak? Let him speak. Who will sing? Let him say a word. Who will challenge a life we live by trying to forgive? I am not the writer. I am just a messenger. The end is nigh. Don't close your eyes. I've got something to say, but will you hear? I've got a burden to bear. Now I am not pretending. Freedom is an ending. It's an illusion that you're fighting for. You're a slave to the system. Don't let them feed your lies no more. Hey, clap with me. Now who will hear? Let him hear. Who will fight? Let him go to war. Who will dare to step out of line and live for truth with help from all? And who will speak? Let him speak. Who will sing? Let him say a word. Who will challenge a life we live by trying to forgive?
I am not there. I am not there. I am the messenger. This messenger is, oh, we're gonna eat cassava. Oh, we're gonna eat cassava.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to eat cassava. Oh, we're going to eat
cassava.
Flour. Dumpling. Warm to the rice. You take away the rice, that no nice.
Nice.
We're going to eat cassava.
Cassava.
Oh, we're going to eat
cassava.
It no sweet.
It no sweet.
Me no eat bammy.
Me neither.
Tessan, before you leave at the IT and Fancy, it's like you sing a serious song.
Yeah.
Rock play now. Let me that rock play, rock play, rock play, rock some fun. I want to know if you can hula hoop. But one, no, we're not caring. You have to hula. Hula, hula, hula. Yo, DJ Inferno, Fame FM, find the macadam. Find the macadam.
So Tessan gonna do the hula, hula,
Hula,
hula.
hula, hula. Hula, hula.
As long as it not drop, babes. You have
DJ Inferno, Fame 95.
Sample 6. I went the other day. The new dance with them business fix. Unicorn. Put the hula hoop in the girl them arm. So let me say, Sajay. Take it away. Yo. Get up, pass, jump up on the ball. Climb up on the jump front. Make them know you're up. Climb up on the R6 ring sound. You're up. And dance up on your build up on it. Some girl find a good them can't wine like you.
When I talk about the video, I say, yeah, but big up my family and rain. Talk about the video, in the video, not the video, in the video, not the video, in the video.
You know, my artist Tammy, I don't know, so you're there with me tonight, so I can go and hula hoop you out tonight. Good evening, and thank you very much.
Give this a round of applause.
We'll go for a quick break.
We'll go for a quick break.
IT and Fancy Cat.
Show
Time.
The IT and Fancy Cat Show.